Hey folks, Nick here from Couto Construction. If you live in the South Coast or anywhere in Rhode Island, you probably noticed that we've had a lot of rain this year. In fact, from January to May, we've seen 87 rainy days. That's 58% of the time. And all that water, it can do serious damage to your roof if you're not paying attention. Rain can sneak into cracks, lift shingles, and cause wood rot. The worst part, most people don't even realize there's a problem until it's too late, and they're dealing with leaks, mold, or structural issues. The good news is there are signs you can catch early, things like missing or curling shingles, granules in your gutters, or even just streaks on your roof. If you're seeing any of those signs, or if you just want peace of mind, give us a call. We offer free inspections and we'll let you know exactly what's going on up there. Don't wait for a leak to tell you there's a problem. Let's catch it early and keep your home safe, dry, and protected. And remember, our family's got yours covered.